telling what Christmas is all about?
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Give me the best of the band. Give me the best of the band. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are going to be doing a DIY Christmas tree wall. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just got a few Christmas tree ornaments. Some are like real cute and diva-ish, and I do have this cute tree, like I forgot what this is called, but yeah, you guys know what this is. They have it in green, different colors. I decided to get a iridescent rose gold. So I seen this on YouTube and I said, hey, I'm going to try it. So you also going to need some scissors, some tape, and also some thumbtacks. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am going in a diagonal way, zigzag motions for the tree. So you know, you're just going to basically do it that way. You're gonna go from side to side, and you're going to go zigzag with the thumbtacks. Some people use tape, but I feel like the thumbtacks work better. It keeps it in place, you know. And it's pretty simple. This is easy, something fun to do with the kids. I don't have any kids yet, but I thought this was fun. It was actually really fun when I seen people do it on YouTube. I didn't know how popular it was until I actually looked it up, because I wanted a pink Christmas tree. This is my first Christmas alone in my own house, guys. But I decided to just do this for now, because I don't even think I would have gifts under the tree that long. And I was just like, you know, I'm just going to get it next year. It was pretty expensive. The tree I wanted, it was like, I think like $80 for a nice full, great quality pink tree. Okay, so I didn't want green. I felt like green is so mundane. It's so ordinary. It's so boring. So I said, you know, let me get this nice iridescent one. I didn't see any pink, so I just was like, let me just get this nice iridescent rose goldish one. And I just picked a nice spot on the wall, and I just, you know, did my thing. This is super easy to do. Like I said, kids will love this. Something fun to do if you don't have space for a tree, or if you just don't have the money to buy a tree right now. I mean, trees are pretty cheap nowadays. They're like $25 or cheaper. It depends how tall you want the tree. You know, my discount stores have green trees. I also was going to try and get a white tree, but I was like, you know what? I don't want a white tree. I want what I want. And yeah. So yeah, here I'm just trying to make sure it's secure and sticking my tacks where I need to stick them. And guys, are you in a Christmas spirit? I mean, I'm in a Christmas spirit, but I mean, I'm pretty much in a Christmas spirit. I am. I can definitely say I am. You know, at first I wasn't, you know, some personal reasons, but I'm okay now, and I'm in a Christmas spirit, okay? Even if I gotta get myself my damn gifts. But yes, guys. This is very, very fun. And I say, definitely try this. Try this with your kids, with your loved ones. And then I'm just going to take the this does get messy, so you will have to sweep some. And I'm just gonna take the I just took the scissors and cut the top, which will be kind of like the tree topper. And I had more of the I think it's called Gardner, whatever. I had more of that tree material left. So I decided to go back over from like the middle to the top up to just like layer it, make it a little bit more thicker in the middle of the body of the tree. So it doesn't look so scrawny or, you know, in that case.
It's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
So guys, I used this little white tree wreath as a tree topper. I thought it was cute. I tried to find other things. I couldn't really find it. I could have honestly used the tree topper, but I'm not sure how it would have. Oh, I could have just taped it. But I just decided to use that instead, like that little cute little tree topper. It does blend in with the wall a lot, so I don't really like that, but it is cute. And now I'm going in with the lights, guys. I got some lights from the discount store. Now, guys, the tree material, that was only $1.97 a pack. And I got 3 packs of those. And it comes with, I think, 36 inches. So you're going to need about at least 50 inches of material to make this tree. I don't know if you guys will want it longer. I would say get 2, at least get like 70 inches worth of material. Okay, so and then you want to get some lights, a nice big pack of lights, and you just want to, you know, wrap it around the tree, which is what I'm doing here. I'm wrapping it around the tree, and I'm just gonna like I was putting the thumbtacks and doing it. So this honestly took me about 30 minutes, guys. It wasn't long. It wasn't, you know, you don't even know 30 minutes go by until you're doing it. It was very, very fun. I had a great time doing it. I think you'll love it too. Also, I believe the lights were just the great amount of, it was a good enough amount because it didn't go all the way to the top. I kind of wanted it to go all the way to the top and wrap around the tree topper, but it stopped right there. But so as you guys can see, it's like the perfect amount of tree lights. You know, it's the perfect amount. So thank God I have outlets all around my house. So it was easy to, you know, I put it in a perfect spot. So everything worked out pretty good. Guys, this is very, very easy to do. And yeah, here I'm just going in with my tree ornaments. And again, I'm going to use thumbtacks again for that. Everything I got at the discount store and everything honestly came up to about, I'm going to say $30 or less. Each ornament was like maybe $2 or $1 something. So as you guys can see, I'm a diva, so I had to put that little shoe ornament. Then I have my rose gold ornaments, and then I have my little red pine tree ornaments. So I'm just choosing where to put them, and it's pretty simple. Like, I have about what, 1, 2, 3, about 7 ornaments. As you guys can see, this is how it looks lit up. It's so beautiful lit up. I love it so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it. And guys, please let me know if you guys end up trying this. Okay, I will try to do more DIY projects. This was super fun, super easy. And yeah, I tried to hide that little outlet thing there. But as you guys can see, the little hints, pretty hints of iridescent sparkles. This is the tree ornament that I got. It's a cheap little shoe, but it's cute. It's nice and sparkly. I thought this was very, very cute, very different, you know. This is something even like school teachers can do with their kids, with their students. You know, instead of having a big ass tree in a classroom, you can have this nice DIY Christmas tree. So this was super fun to do, and I really enjoyed it. So if you like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to love yourself first. Happy holiday, guys. Bye.